Okay, quick video on what I thought of the big bore kit. I've got 100 miles on it. I've done highway miles, gravel road miles, driving around town, and a little bit of super horrible, like 2-track, unmaintained road type miles. What I found is that, I mean, it doesn't turn it into a race bike, but ripping around trails and around town, way easier. Doing wheelies is way easier. You can second gear power wheelie with it, you know, if you get the technique right. And I can kind of do it in third gear, but not so good. Most of that's on me versus the bike, but it's a lot more rowdy. I noticed, like, just ripping around on gravel roads, you know, you can get the back end sliding a lot easier. Riding up and down trails, you can lug it a lot more. It picks up speed a lot easier. Yeah, it makes the bike a lot more usable. You're not having to rev it or slip the clutch constantly. Going down the highway, I noticed that I'm not shifting down into fifth to get up hills. I've also noticed that maintaining speed is a lot better, whereas before you'd have to really crank on it or pay close attention. So that extra power helps there. But most of the power I've noticed, where it's improved the most, is down low in the rev range. So I'm so happy with it. If anything ever happens to it, I'm not going back to stock. I'm going to get another big bore cylinder. So that's my initial impressions with the first 100 miles of driving with it. So now that I'm at 100 miles, I'm going to go ahead and do an oil change, but that'll be a separate video.